My name is Javiera Manzano. We are students from Rosa Elvira Mata de Prieto School from SIP. Hip-hop culture emerges from Black and Latin neighborhoods in Europe as a way of expression, self-recognition, and resistance of marginalized American social classes. Rap is its musical expression. It is based on a singing-talking reverse, which structure is built by distributing pitches according to the musical accentuation on a harmonic and rhythmic way to express a musical social value. Rap allows its followers to express and sense the truth of a society set aside with its own musical identity, highly accepted by young people, who feel identified and understood within a society that every day excludes them more and more. That's why our team is against the subject matter, considering that rap music is not about influence. The lyrics and rhymes reflect emotions and thoughts by the rap composer, who just grabs the microphone or raises the voice to be heard by people that can make a connection with the songs. This is the starting point where teenagers feel admiration for this kind of art, because all this not only provides youngsters with fun and pleasure, but also because it is an important socialization tool, a way to express and share emotion, to get relaxed and easy vibes, to understand and be understood, to find inspiration and express feelings. This is how relation with music is essentially intense during adolescence and youth. According to the Sociological Research Center, Eurostat, 78% of teenagers between 18 and 24 listen to music every day. In another research about youngsters between 14 and 16, the results show that they listen to music 40 hours a week in average. Rap, with its rhymes and rhythmic expression, is closely related to mnemonic practices, used since many years ago to easily remember lists and sequences. In fact, rap has been widely used in the learning process due to its power to facilitate the acquisition, like the principle of connecting learning contacts to real life. It also establishes a relationship with all that the students know and prefer. It stimulates not only learning, but also thinking. Flowvocabulary.com is an online platform where people can find some educational rap songs and videos, such as Shakespeare is Called or All You Need is Spy on the Radius. This website is being used by more than 15,000 schools, nearly 5 million students worldwide. Can we say then that rap music is about influence on young people? We don't think so. Thank you very much for listening.
Speaker 2 for